I've gotten to see behind the scenes of hundreds of online course businesses through my 8 years of being an online business owner. And what I've noticed is there are 7 things that the most successful course creators have in common. So that's what I'm going to share with you now. Number 1 is that they play the long game. They prioritize activities and offers that will bring in long-term ROI. That's why so many successful online business owners choose online courses in the first place. Yes, it is a ton of work up front, but it is a high leverage thing to do that allows you to sell the same product for years and years. They're absolutely fine to put in the time and energy to create an asset that they can sell over and over again in limitless amounts. Number 2 is that they do not rely on social media alone to grow their business. Yes, social media is part of it, but it's not as important as you may think at first. I remember when I started my business and I was looking around at successful online course creators, I thought that all they were doing was showing up on social media, and then magically people would go, click the link in their bio, go over to their website and buy their course. Turns out, no, that is not the way it works. You must have a proper sales system in place in order for this model to work. So what are those sales systems? There are 2 that you will see the most successful online course creators using. Number 1 is launches, and number 2 is an automated sales funnel. So what is a launch? Of course, this can look a lot of different ways, and there's a ton of different ways that you can execute on a launch. But in general, this will be a free live event that you see a course creator hosting. So yes, they will absolutely be on social media, but they will spend their time and energy building their audience on social media to then come and invite them to this free live event. So in addition to this high value free event, there will also be a limited time special offer to come and join them inside of their online course. So yes, they are using social media, but that is just part of it. And we now want people to go from social media to this launch event. The other sales system is when you automate everything and you create an automated sales funnel. This is when you are taking a recording this time of a high value training, or maybe you're simply offering a PDF for free, but that is connected to an automated limited time offer to come and join the course. This is brilliant because unlike a live promotion, this can run 24/7 in the background of your business. Personally, I like to use both of these in my business. So understanding and implementing these 2 systems completely changed the course of my online course business. I love them both and recommend that you have them both. So that is very different than just showing up on social media and then expecting people to go to your website and purchase your course. Instead, there is that system in the middle of either a launch or an automated sales funnel. This is very, very important, and this is going to drastically increase the amount of sales that you get. Now that you know this, you can look at the most successful course creators and you will see some version of launching or automated sales funnels in their business. Number 4 is that they focus on their email list. I can guarantee that they are more focused on their email list than they are on their social media following. An email list is something you own and gives you a direct connection to your audience. Not only this, it is less impacted by the algorithm, and when compared to social media, email will make you more money. Nearly every single successful online course creator that I've met has said something along the lines of, "I wish I started my email list sooner." So you can get ahead of all of us that took too long to figure this out. Start your email list now. This is where the majority of my online course sales come from, and it is really one of the most important assets that you have as a course creator. Number 5 is that they focus on building a brand. So yes, there are absolutely going to be other people out there that are teaching courses on the same topic as you. What is going to make someone choose your course over all of the others out there is your brand. It's you. Once you build a brand, people will want to know your specific way of doing things. So this is why you will see successful course creators showing up, focusing on building their visibility and sharing authority content, whether that's through their podcast, YouTube channel, or social media. Successful course creators know that they need to build a brand in order to stand out and to build that connection and trust with their audience. Number 6 is that they are good at avoiding shiny objects. Yes, of course, there are tons of things that they could do, many of which would be profitable and would help them grow their business. However, they know how valuable their time is and how valuable focus is. You cannot do it all, and it's not going to help you to stretch yourself across all these different areas. So instead, they zero in on what is most important in their business, and they stay extremely focused on that, saying no to a lot. So rather than creating a million new offers or saying yes to every good opportunity that comes up, they stay focused on what they have created and instead focus on optimizing that and getting that to reach even more people. This is actually how they end up getting to that next level. Number 7 is that they trust the process. So none of this happens overnight, and it can be really easy to give up when you don't see results right away. But the most successful course creators know that these elements are important and that these elements will work, especially once you have them all set up and running together. So you have to show up, you have to keep going, even in those early phases where it doesn't feel like things are working, and know that once you have all of these pieces working together, it absolutely will work and it will unlock so many incredible things for you in your business. So those are the 7 things that the most successful course creators have in common. I hope that you found this video insightful and that you're able to use it to create success in your business even faster. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know any questions or comments that you have down below, and I'll see you real soon with another video.